Hi, this is Vasu, Managing Director, Prada Leathers, and we are the most leading company in the finished leather exports from India. And the last 3 years, we are award-winning company as the largest finished leather exports from India.
In continuation to what Mr. Vasu spoke about sustainability, I'll just walk you through the points what its sustainability means. Sustainability means taking the 5 parameters into consideration. What is the energy used? What is the emission which is coming out of the tannery, and what are the recycling process what we are doing in the factory, and what are the chemicals used, and what is the raw material used, and last but not the least, what is the articles we are making through it actually. For example, like if you talk about the points into detail, what are the energy resource what we are used. If you can see from the pictures, like it is a solar water evaporator which you are using it out. We have a rainwater harvesting. This comes into the what are the energy which we are being used. And what is the emission coming out of the tannery. We have a strong effluent treatment plant which is singly owned by us. Starting from the sludges which is coming out, taking into the complete waste actually. From the waste, there are 2 type of chemicals which is coming out. One is we have the shaving dust. In the shaving dust, we recycle that one, take into a protein. These proteins are cycled once again back to leather processing, and also these are used for the paint industry. And second one, the sludges which are coming it out, the sludges we are mixing with the cow dung and also with the earthworms which we are using for a biomanicure, which is used for plantation and all the things actually. And third point is what we speak about is like raw material and what are the chemicals we are used. For the chemicals, we worked with all international companies like TFL, Stahl, BASF and Alpha, which both are with a technical and also with a fashion and also with a more environmental aspects. And last point, the raw materials we get it from Africa, what explained by Mr. Vasu, and also with the articles, because the sludges which are coming out from the articles what we make, it matters very close related to the sustainability. So the sludges, if you speak about the articles, these are eco-friendly articles, and the other is biodegradable articles.